The bird walked up to the evidence and he said to the man right in the sand, "Hey, bum, bum, bum. Got any, what's this called again? What do you think?" Well, I mean, it has, some, here, let me show you a picture. Black, and it has, wood thing, and it's, oh no, it sticks and stuff like that. Plunger? Correct. Well, why was that picture like a broke, like that motion picture, like when it like breaks and stuff like that? Cause I bought that for $1,000. Right. So, do you have one of those plungers?
Where?
No, no, sir. Fine. Then he flew away, flew to the very next day. Bum, 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 bum. The bird walked up to the evidence and he said to the man, "Understand? Hey, bum, bum, bum. Got any plungers?" The man said, "No, I just said yesterday, but it's cold and fresh and it's all I made. Can I get you a glass?" The bird said, "I want my plunger." Then he waddled away, waddle, till the very next day. Bah, 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 bah. The bird flew up to the lemonade stand. He said to the man, "Understand? Hey, bah, bah, bah. Got any plungers?" The man said, "No, I just told you like the day before yesterday, but this is cold and fresh and it's all I made. Will I get you a glass?" The bird said, "No, thank you." Then the man said, "Please get one of my glasses of lemonade, or you'll not be able to get your plunger." The bird said, "I'll pass." But then he waddled away, waddle, to the very next day. Bum, 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 bum. But waddle flew away, bottom, to the very next day. Bum, 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 bum. The bird walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man, "I understand. Hey, ba, ba, ba. Got any grapes?" "What? Got any plungers?" The man said, "No, I am tired of it. Just get a glass of lemonade. I want to get your plunger." He said, "Whatever." And the man said, "If you're just going to keep on doing this for the rest of your life, you're going to die, birdie. You're going to die." The bird said, "Oh, whatever." Then he walked away, waddle. Then he walked away, waddle. Then he something waddle! Does it look like a little feet? No. To the very next day, bum, 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 bum. The bird walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man, "Run the stairs." "Shut up! I'll get you the freaking plunger!" I was going to say, "Can I have a glass of lemonade?" No. Got to look pretty. My wings are broken. Ha! Now. Someone's gonna have you for dinner. Now was the story of the long last party who walked to the limit stand. To storm murder the precious birdie. And he's there, he's gonna get him waiting for dinner. By the perfect couple who's about to come. Come on, babe. Ooh, bird. Excuse us, sir, but is this bird that we can eat? Yes, ma'am, sir. Can we get it? That would be, $3, please. Penny, please. There you go, sir. So you may take it. Thank you. Nom 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 nom.